Microbial threats lead to unexpected costs and downtime in your operations. To ensure continuity of business, it is vital to mitigate biological risk and to minimize the potential of future contamination. In addition to the well-known strains of harmful bacteria, viruses, and fungi, new persistent and resistant strains are emerging that pose even greater risks. Today, it is more crucial than ever to ensure the safety of personnel, product, and operations by deploying microbial reduction solutions that are both cost-effective and achievable. These solutions must be effective in the air and on surfaces, as well as in areas that become contamination reservoirs because they are difficult to access or identify. Decontamination is a continuous effort, and a comprehensive plan must include the means to provide predictable, continuous microbial reduction, especially in occupied spaces. Most facilities utilize one or more of the following to help with a building's environmental hygiene: manual cleaning by personnel, UV light, or vaporized agents. However, cost and efficacy vary widely based on the number of methods employed and adherence to cleaning, monitoring, and inspection routines. Disruption of day-to-day operations, safety hazards, and odors are an additional concern with these technologies, particularly in occupied areas. Responding to the need for safe, continuous microbial reduction of occupied spaces, Synexis has pioneered a revolutionary new technology to disrupt the cycle of a wide spectrum of microbial threats: the Synexis Biodefense system. Synexis is the first to transform hydrogen peroxide to a gaseous state, creating dry hydrogen peroxide, a new patented immune system for your building. Microbes require water from the environment to survive. The hydrogen peroxide molecule is very similar in structure to water, and it can also attach itself to the microbe's access points. This will break down the cellular structure, killing the organism. To date, most facilities have utilized aqueous or vaporized hydrogen peroxide, and your own body produces hydrogen peroxide as a naturally occurring part of its immune system. However, the efficacy of hydrogen peroxide in both liquid and vapor forms is diminished because it must be diluted with water. This forces the hydrogen peroxide to compete for access with neighboring water molecules. The Synexis Biodefense systems works at extremely low concentrations by creating dry hydrogen peroxide from natural air humidity. This allows for safe, efficient, and effective microbial threat reduction in the air, on surfaces, and in remote spaces. Synexis systems create a continuous barrier of protection, even in occupied areas. A cubic micron volume of air treated with a Synexis system contains only 5 to 25 molecules of hydrogen peroxide. These levels are many thousands times less than those in our own blood cells and respiratory system, and millions to billions times less than a cubic micron droplet of hydrogen peroxide vapor. Synexis systems produce a wide area effect and can be deployed standalone or in existing HVAC systems. Worldwide, the Synexis Biodefense system is uniquely proven to solve the ongoing challenges of reducing harmful bacteria, viruses, fungi, mold, and new resistant strains. Sustainable microbial reduction, effective in the air, on surfaces, and in out-of-reach areas, reducing risks of cross-contamination and recontamination, maintaining comfort and safety of occupants, flexibility and ease of operation, low operating and maintenance costs, with no requirement to refill solutions. The Synexis Biodefense system, an uncommon approach to a common molecule. For more information, contact your local representative